Olá a todos, this is my Chevrolet cool car.
Tracksuits and red wine. I've been chasing tracksuits and red wine. Movies for two. We'll take off our phones and we'll turn off our shoes. We'll play Nintendo, though I always lose. As you watch the TV while I'm watching you. There's not many people I'd honestly say I don't mind lose.
I was slapped in the face by a dose of reality. You were sitting at the coffee table where you minutes later you proceeded to say something that almost broke my heart. You said, darling, I'm tired of living my routine life.